Hi, welcome to my project Basa.com. Our process is finding usability and communicability problems for transactional web application. Let us start with its abstract. Large amount of user-generated data is present on web as blogs, reviews, tweets, comments, etc. This data involves users' opinion, view, attitude, sentiment towards particular product, topic, event, news, etc. Today, the amount of web applications has grown exponentially, and the number of both novice and experienced users decided to experiment with these applications has increased. However, there has been a large increase in problems when the user interacts with those applications. In recent years, finding usability and communicability is one of the popular topics in text mining and natural language processing. To achieve this, a usability methodology for transactional web applications was applied first, where a considerable number of problems identified. This shows how difficult it is for the designer to interact with the user and vice versa. This flow diagram shows the overall process of a project. Initially, the user interaction module, the new customer will register their details, and the old customer will log in into the product page. Here, they will be providing the usability feedback about the registration process and login process. In the next step, the usability feedback will be stored into the database, and if the customer wants to buy a product or want to view a product, this model will help to do those things. And finally, if they buy any product, they have to provide their feedback about the product, and then this information will be stored into the database. And in the heuristic evaluation process, the overall user interface feedback will be collected and computed. In the opinion classification, the feedback about the users will be classified. And finally, the summarization process will summarize the user interface feedbacks and heuristic evaluation. Let's see the demo of our process. Usually run this process by clicking on run button, and this is our exhibition page. Click on user registration button. Here we have to create a new registration for new customer. Provide profile name, provide date of birth, then provide age value, choose gender value here, and provide hometown, and provide choose answer for the question asked here, then provide ID value to login. You provide password. Now provide the captcha which is given here for successful registration. Click on register now button. It will register this detail into the database. Here showing login ID value. Then this form is for providing feedback about the registration. Here provide answers for the questions asked. Then provide commands about the registration process. These informations are stored into the database when we click on submit button, and this will be used for a usability evaluation in future. Then finally choose the registration rating. Click on submit button, then click on use a login button to log in to the product page. Here provide login ID, then password value. Click on login button. It will be moved into the next page. And if you want to change the password, click on forgot password. Then provide the login ID, registered login ID value, and provide the new password which we are going to change. click on change button. The password is updated successfully. Now log in with the newly created password. Initially provide login ID, then new password. Click on login button. On this page is product information page. By clicking on product list, will show a list of categories about the product. Here we can choose anything, and by clicking on view details button, it will show the corresponding product information like model number, price, features, etc. So here I am choosing different categories and viewing the information. To buy a product, click on buy product button. Provide user ID to buy product. Then choose title. Choose product. Click on view button to view the information, selected information. If you want to buy product, click on add to cart button. It will add this selected product details into the database. If you want to buy some more product, choose different product information like category, title and product. Here I am choosing PC is category and desktop is title and product is Dell. Click view button, then add to cart. Now we have added two product details. Click on buy. The product is purchased successfully. To view the purchase details, click on view purchase detail. Here we are going to view the purchased product detail. Click view button. These two products where we purchase. Then click on next button. Here we have to provide the feedback about the purchased product. First we have to provide the product ID and choose score for product and aspect, decide aspect. Then provide review about the purchased product. Here we can give any detail as review. Then click on submit button. Once we finished, this data will be stored into the database. Then now we are going to compute usability. Click compute usability button. Click on heuristic evaluation. This heuristic evaluation will calculate the usability value. To view that usability, click show button. Now this graph shows about the usability criteria. Then click back. Click on compute communicability button. It will show the heuristic evaluation of the communicability. Click communicability button. It will calculate the overall communicability for the purchased product. Click show button. Here two graphs showing. One is for a user feedback communicability and another one is for purchased product communicability. Click exit button. By this, the execution process is over. Thanks for listening.